Fiat X19, a gold one this time, with steel rims, just a basic 4-speed manual. Lovely leather seats though. What year is it, Louis?
Original 79.
79.
Still got the original sticker.
It's a sort of a late model then.
It was one of the last models with extended.
Okay, so what size engine of this one?
This one's, I think it's 13, this one.
13.
The other one is 15.
Okay. So the blue one was 1500?
That's
This is 13. So this is a
13.
real basic model.
Well, it's a basic, but there weren't very many variations to them.
Yeah. A lot of specs.
Yeah.
And again, it's got the Targa roof, and it's off, and it's in the boot at the front.
It just sits underneath them.
Sits underneath. Very clever. And what about the engine and the spare tire?
This one's same as that one, 1300.
Mid-engine.
Yeah, mid-engine.
This is the
That's air intake for
air intake.
Cooling. Paint on this a bit.
And the spare tire just behind the
Behind the driver's
seat.
seat. And also the fuel tank on the back.
and the roof attaches with 2 clips either side of the
Clips in here and then clipped underneath the front.
right. Very smart design. So this is the 79 1300cc Fiat X19. Lovely.